Ooh. Something I really love with this. Think about this. This is how you do it. Good morning. So, you know what? I got reached out from DYU the other week, or like a few weeks ago, and they were like asking me like, hey Therese, do you know what? We have seen your videos and we think that you really should be able to like move yourself more because it feels like you're a little bit stuck inside of your car. And I was like, yeah, it is like that. So I just today picked up a big package that they sent to me that is gonna make me so free, and I'm so excited to open it up. I'm gonna show you what I just got. Yep, it was kind of a big package I got. I'm so excited for this. A little box. This is so much fun. Okay, let's see if I can manage this. Introducing the DYU A5 14-inch folding e-bike. Fantastico. And then the box, it's the pedals, it's the charger. It's a tool, instruction manual. Good to have. Easy peasy. And then click. And then click. Oops. So we have the pedals. It's gonna go on. It also says left and right. A compact yet powerful ride designed for modern commuters and urban adventurers. Equipped with a robust 350 watts motor and a 7.5 ampere battery. This e-bike delivers a smooth and powerful performance, I would say. You can, for instance, travel up to 60 kilometers on one single charge. So it's perfect for those longer rides around a town, for instance, like when I'm exploring new places. I would say that you can ride in comfort with the front fork suspension. The day have come when I'm gonna try my new bicycle. It can fit perfectly. It's so compatible with my lifestyle. Like, ta-da! I can just put it inside here. And it's just so comfortable. Because, as you see, I don't have so much space. So I really need to have the bicycle small. I just store it here. It's just so small. It's perfect. I would say it's a comfortable journey every time. Let's see how easy it is to flip the bicycle up. The steering here, this should go like this. On the side, we also have a little thing. It should be locked. When it's time for the battery, I have the contact here and the cable here. Slide that in and I plug in the electricity. Okay, I have now refilled the air in the tires. Let's take a little ride. Woo-hoo-hoo. Vamos. Something I really love with this is the remote control, of course. The remote control, you have the little lighting, you press on, and you start the bicycle. And now the electricity is on, so you have different modes. You have eco mode, you have mid mode, and you have high mode, depending on how fast you want to go. So I really love that. And you can also see here how much the battery is left on the bicycle. You also have the button to turn off and on the light. Can come very handy. And on the remote control, you can also lock the bicycle. And you can unlock it. And if you try to walk with the bicycle when it's locked, so I do like this, and then it like locks itself. That's very important. Someone can't just take your bicycle away from you. Okay, shush. So that's very good. Also, when you want to turn off your bicycle, you just press on the lock button, and when you want to turn it on, you press on the lighting symbol. Okay, adios. Now we're gonna try my little baby and my new basket. I was buying my basket so I can bring Tindra with me, and I also added a little thing to have her like in the basket. So she's stuck in the basket. Okay, Tindra, what do you think about this? It's gonna be so much fun. So, no, you're stuck there and you can't go out. No. So, should we go? Oh, I need to lock up this. Wee, wee, wee. So, Tindra, should we go? Oh my god. Oh. Yep, this is how you do it. Stopp Tindra, du kan inte gå någonstans. This is so much fun. Oh my gosh. Are you enjoying yourself? Are you enjoying yourself? For me, traveling around by myself, it can't be happy. I'm happy to tell you that the weight of this e-bike is just 22.4 kilograms. Okay guys, so I have now had this bicycle for a few weeks and it's time to conclude. So after a few days when I've been driving this sweetheart, I accidentally noticed a new feature on this bicycle that I didn't know. Apparently you can go completely electric and you don't need to use any man force to make it forward. It's like going on a little scooter, and it comes very handy when you are like in a traffic light and you want to go away quickly. Then you can just whoop and you whee! That is so much fun. Something else I've been trying out is of course the top speed, and the top speed is 25 kilometers an hour. I feel so happy and grateful now that I have this bicycle going around in Europe, because it's gonna make my adventure so much more fun, and I can bring Tindra, you know. So thank you DYU for sending me this bicycle to try out and do a review of it, because I love it. Honestly, I really love it so much. And I'm so happy that I can store it inside of my car. So what more can I say? For me, it's perfect. It's a part of my family now, and it's gonna be a part of all my adventures going around with my van life. If I inspired you now to get your own little DYU bike, I put down a link in the description below where you can check it out yourself. I hope that I meet you out on the roads.